And welcome to hopefully a sunny Monday where you get some outside time. But I want to talk quickly about your work for tomorrow. So on our half day on Friday, we briefly covered the Farm Bill 2023 and how you're going to be doing some work to get us in a good place for tomorrow to maybe wrap up the first part. Now, you're going to be graded on your ability to analyze and interpret data. More on that tomorrow. But really, I want you to be starting to use and look for evidence and data and numbers that you can be able to use in arguments. I've given you all of these resources. The main one that's going to be important for today is the Farm Bill data, which brings you to a spreadsheet that looks like this. You'll want to make your own copy. This is the 2018 Farm Bill in terms of its payment components and its insurance policies in terms of acres covered. We'll work on this later on in the week. But when it comes to the first part, you're going to be repurposing or posing new concepts and allocations of dollars for what you think the Farm Bill 2023 should cover. This number can go up and down, and all of these numbers can go up or down depending on what your thoughts and views are. You have a lot of data to help you think about SNAP, environmental impact and sustainability and conservation, as well as a whole host of different problems faced by farms due to corporations, farm size, how we farm, types of farming, which might give you some good information for just starting to get a generalized idea of what this pie graph should look like. You should paste your second pie graph here, and you should have your different components copy and pasted here. Now, the second thing that I'd like you to work on is the first part of part 2, where you're going to be stating the changes in funding in the program. So what do I mean by this? You should be not only telling me whether you changed the dollar amount in the Farm Bill up or down and by how much, but what things you're either going to be getting rid of or adding in terms of really specific policies or programs. And this is where you can start to be really detailed and nuanced and argumentative based on what your opinions are. Some of you might think that we only need to increase crop amount for specialty crops by not 0%, 10%. Others of you might feel that it's 50%. Some of you might say 50% and a requirement for organic farming. This is where you can start really posing super cool, thoughtful, and argumentative based proposals that later on we will work on tomorrow in class. Let me know if there's anything I can do to help you today. Try to get out and enjoy the sun, and I will see you tomorrow. Cheers.